I'm showing property today. A little rainy, a little cold weather today, but I had to get you into this home in Trussville. So it's going to be in Carrington Lakes. It's going to be for about $630,000. A pretty big home, good sized lot. It's going to be a little over an acre. It's going to have about almost 4,000 square feet. It's going to be a 5-bedroom, 5-bath home. So I'm going to get you on the inside and show you this home to see if this might be an opportunity for you to relocate to Trussville, or if anybody out of state moving in, this might be a great opportunity for you to have a new almost feels like a new home, although it's just been completely renovated from top to bottom. And I cannot wait to get you on the inside. So stay tuned, and I'll catch you right after this. All right, guys, welcome back. I'm actually excited about getting you into this home. So first, thanks for visiting my channel. Go ahead and like and subscribe for all things real estate in the Birmingham and surrounding area. So it is getting kind of dark here. I just ran through this home to actually show a potential client, but I wanted to go ahead and give you a walkthrough to see what you like about this home and everything it has to offer. So stay tuned and let's go on in the inside. Nice steps here that allow us to get right on up to the house. So double doors here, garage doors with an exterior entrance. These are oversized doors. All right, we're going on up here. Nice little lighting on the exterior of the home. One of the best features of this home is going to be this outdoor area, outdoor space that I cannot wait to show you when we get on the inside. It's absolutely amazing. So great entrance, a lot of lighting on the entrance. We got some cedar up at the top, a lot of windows. Let's go on in. All right, as soon as you come in, we are greeted with an amazing staircase here that goes up to 3 bedrooms upstairs, and I'll show you those in a minute. To the left, we have a formal dining room. Also could be an office if you'd like. Right over here, you're gonna have the living area with a fireplace here. Tons of windows that'll bring in a lot of natural light. That's a little pass-through bathroom that I'll show you on the other side as well for guests. Right off the kitchen. So we'll walk on through into the main area where all the entertaining will be. So you've got a kitchen here. Nice quartz countertops right here. Very nice addition. Gas range, farmhouse sink, double oven. Got a microwave underneath. We do have floor to ceiling cabinets on each side here because there is no pantry. So you'll still have a lot of space right there. So a living room here, gas fireplace. Again, a lot of windows there. This actually goes off into a deck. Gonna be perfect for entertaining. Excuse the fall leaves, obviously, the season we're in, and it is raining outside. But you got some nice rock feature, natural areas back here that is gonna be great. Privacy back here is amazing. So we're in Carrington Lakes in Trussville, Alabama. It's going to be one of the most popular neighborhoods in the Trussville area. A lot of estate lots. Actually sold a house not too far down here with a lot of privacy as well to some friends of mine. All right, this is the feature that I know you're going to love and my favorite part of the house. This is just an exterior detached patio. A lot of cedar beams, tray ceilings, we've got brick. Man, I could put a pizza oven or an outdoor kitchen on this wall. I'd put a big 80-inch right there for football games Here in the South, we love football, obviously. This is my favorite part of this home. Obviously, it's getting dark, but you'll notice here the privacy that it offers, this home offers. Let's walk back into the interior now to give you a quick little tour of the interior before it gets too dark. But I just had to show you this home. People watching my channel, I just want them to get an experience of what it's like being in these homes. And any feedback, drop it in the comments. Any feedback that I can improve on to help you with your home search. Here's that pass-through bathroom that was going into the main living area, into the kitchen. I think that's a cool feature for this home. It's going to allow your guests to have access to both sides here. This is going to be the master. You're going to have a walk-in closet. Lots of windows here. Extra little seating area there. You can easily put an office desk there or a little lounge reading nook right here off the master. This flows straight into the master bathroom here. Beautiful tub. Got a vanity here. Nice walk-in shower, toiletry closet there. One of the things that I did wish they had on this particular feature of this master bathroom was a double vanity. We do have a pull-up from, for you to do makeup or however you want to get ready. But I would have liked a double vanity right here on that, just because it is the primary suite. House flows well. Hardwoods completely throughout the home. Zero carpet in this home. All right, we're gonna make our way upstairs. Grand staircase, nice hardwoods on the grand staircase. Like I said, this home has been completely renovated. It feels brand new. So you got your guest room here. We got a bathroom right there. And then this is another feature of the home that is very unique. So it's got almost another master suite upstairs, which is very large. That goes out into a outdoor patio overlooking the lot. And this actually flows straight through here. You got a garden tub, double vanity upstairs with a walk-in shower, but also Jack and Jill, so it passes straight through for Jack and Jill. Another bedroom and a little reading area there. Whoa, it's getting dark. Reading area there. Nice big washer and dryer. Let's head on back downstairs. As you can see, these huge ceilings. The grand entrance walking in is actually another one of my favorite parts, is just how high these ceilings are. This home is actually, for the square footage, offered at a great price of $630,000. It's around 3,800 square feet. So in my opinion, you're getting a lot of house for that money. I feel like I'm in about an $800,000 home. I was telling my previous clients that we were looking here, I just feel like we're in a more expensive home than it actually is listed for. So that's a plus. So obviously downstairs you can have LVP on the floors. This is going to be an office area, but you have daylight basement, so you're going to have a lot of natural light that'll come in the basement. And then we'll flow through here, and you're going to have a bathroom here on the left. There, walk-in shower. And then you'll have a living area here. So they didn't do the drop ceiling to keep the ceilings high, which I think is a positive of this home. But these two doors right here get you to the garage. And let me see if I can get some lights on just to show you how big this garage is.
well, we got a little bit of light, but oversized doors. So you have a big garage area, which is daylight. So you'll have a lot of natural light that comes in. And again, tons of space. You got to walk in under the storage underneath the stairs here. Across the way here in this room, you can't see the light is blown. It's a huge room. It's going to have all your electrical, your plumbing, hot water heater, your water pressure valves, all of that is going to be in that closet there. And we'll walk back through. And one of the things that I told my previous client was what I would do is a lot of people have, want a mother-in-law suite or access to a home that's gonna not interfere with the current owners. So I would put a door right here, right there, and that way anyone coming into the home could come in from that access door there, straight in to their portion of the home and not even interfere with the primary owners of the home. They could walk through right there. There'll be a door right there. I told him I would definitely put a door right there. A lot of people are doing kind of Airbnb and, in-law suite, people staying with them. Just offers some extra privacy there. All right. So I have completed the entire home, tour of the home. I hope you liked it. This home in Trussville. I'm gonna take you out one more time to my favorite part of this home, which is gonna be the patio. Get you one look at that. Thank you so much for coming with me on this tour in Trussville, Alabama. So if you're looking to relocate to the Birmingham and surrounding area, I would love the opportunity to help you do that and help you navigate that process. Like I said, Trussville, the nightlife, the city, pretty much everything you want in Trussville is growing like crazy. The values are skyrocketing in Trussville. It's a great area to relocate to. So if I can help you do that, it would be my honor and pleasure. I'm Matt Williams, your Birmingham realtor, and I'll catch you on the next video.